Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this Kung Fu combination, we're going to be working with sword and shield. Now, as we do this combination, we're going to focus from an initial strike and then expect a counterattack from our opponent. We're going to block and then use that block to step into our next strike. So we make this a little bit more efficient. Okay, so let's go get to work. Now, I'm going to start with my initial attack over the top, attacking forward. Okay, now notice I keep my shield right next to my body here for extra protection just in case. If my opponent tries to counter down and over towards this side, I'm going to shift back to a cat stance and block up, protecting my head. So we have 1, 2. Okay, now from this position, I'm going to step out into where my shield is blocking and protecting, and then I'm going to follow up with a horizontal slice. Okay, so again, I have my forward attack, block, slice horizontally. If I'm facing this way, forward attack, block, slice horizontally. Moving in with the block. Again, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you guys like this combination, don't forget to check out some of my other Kung Fu combos. I've done rolling with the shield. I've done some other basics with sword and shield. So make sure to do that. Don't forget to hit that like button. And as always, be sure to subscribe. Till next time.
Bye.